Welcome to Janae's Journey. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do box braids using the rubber band method. I'm going to be using this Purple Rain Jumbo Triple Pack hair. The first thing I'm going to do is take all 3 pieces out and cut it straight down the middle where the rubber band is. From there, I'm going to part my hair starting from the back. This rubber band method is a very easy, simple, and quick method, especially for beginner braiders. Now, I know there's a lot of controversy over pro style and natural hair, but if you really want some gel that's going to keep it together, pro style is definitely the go-to. So I'm going to gel that whole section down and then start making smaller parts and putting the rubber bands on each section. And I continue that process all the way to the front of my head. So now we're going to start with the hair. So I take medium to thick pieces of hair and I just pull it apart to stretch the hair a little bit. From there, I pull the 2 pieces apart and just overlap the tips of them. I begin my braid by putting my hair in between the 2 pieces and tightly pulling and gripping and then braiding down. Now there may be some scraggly ends, so that's what the scissors are for. We're going to just snip all those little pieces of hair off. And continue that same process throughout the entire head. So there you have it, my loves. This is a super easy way to do box braids when you're just starting to braid. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'm working on my braiding skills myself, so if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know and like and subscribe.